Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to contact eBay for help in 2025. Now, you might assume that like many companies, eBay offers a simple customer service email address. But here's the thing. eBay doesn't provide a direct email for general support. That might sound surprising, but don't worry, they've built several reliable alternatives that are actually faster and more effective than sending a traditional email. So let's go step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to ebay.com/help/home. This is the central hub for all of eBay's support resources. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the Contact Us link. Go ahead and click it. This section is designed to guide you based on the issue you're facing. eBay organizes inquiries into categories like returns, selling, account problems, payments, and more. Choosing the right category is important because it helps direct you to the most relevant solution quickly. After selecting your issue, look to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll notice the option to chat with our automated assistant. This is eBay's AI-powered chat tool, and it can answer a wide range of common questions. Once you click on it, a chat box will open on the right side of your screen. Simply type in your concern or question, and the assistant will try to guide you. Now, if you find that your situation is more complex or the AI doesn't provide the solution you need, don't worry. At any point, you can type or request to speak with a live agent. The system will then connect you with a representative or guide you to the right next steps, which may include scheduling a callback. In addition to the help page and chat options, eBay also provides support through other digital channels. You can often reach out via their official social media accounts like Twitter or Facebook, where their support teams respond to messages. This is particularly helpful if you want a faster public-facing response. So while eBay might not give you a direct customer service email, the alternatives they offer, AI chat, human agents, callback requests, and social media support, cover most situations effectively. In many cases, these tools actually save time compared to traditional email exchanges. And that's it. That's the full guide to contacting eBay for help in 2025. Hopefully, this clears up any confusion and gives you the confidence to reach out whenever you need assistance. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides just like this.